Hello everybody, it's me, Llama Army, and I'm gonna be playing some Agar.io on experimental mode. Okay, let's get right into this. What? Oh god. Oh! I'm gonna die really fast. That's the wall. Come here. Yeah, no! I feel he got lucky. I hate flies, they annoy me too much. Oh yeah, guys, check the description, and yeah, I'm using, check the description to see what I'm using to record with. You know lag is a thing, it sucks. I know it. We all know it. You know it especially. Everyone knows lag. Everyone! And I hate it. Oh yeah, I still have this. What am I gonna get? I don't even know what those are. Guys, do you know what the trophies are? Okay. Well, this sucked. Oh, there's one more. What is it? Oh. Yuck, I don't like. Whoa, yeah, stuff.